Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. New 13B lawsuit accuses Johnson & Johnson of hiding baby powder cancer risk. Breaker number 148. More than 3,000 people in Britain have sued Johnson & Johnson, claiming its baby powder caused cancer, according to court filings. Break the case, filed in Britain's High Court, seeks more than £1 billion, $1.3 billion, in damages and marks the first group claim against the company in the United Kingdom, according to KP Law, the firm representing the individuals. Break the lawsuit mirrors multiple legal battles in the United States where Johnson & Johnson faces tens of thousands of similar claims. Break in the British case, the claimants allege that from 1965 to 2023, Johnson & Johnson sold talc-based products that it knew contained cancer-causing fibers such as asbestos. Ovarian cancer and mesothelioma are among cancers that have been linked to asbestos. Break and number 156, we will be relentless in holding them to account on behalf of all those who have suffered due to their actions, Tom Longstaff, a partner at KP Law, told the New York Times. Break just last week, a Los Angeles jury ordered Johnson & Johnson to pay $966 million to the family of a woman who died from a rare cancer. Break earlier this year, a U.S. court rejected Johnson & Johnson's plan to use a bankruptcy settlement worth $9 billion to resolve roughly 70,000 lawsuits tied to talc products. Break Johnson & Johnson stopped selling its talc-based baby powder in the US and Canada in 2020. In 2023, it switched to a cornstarch formula. Break the company maintains its baby powder is safe. Its consumer products, including baby powder, are now part of Kenvue, a separate company that spun off from Johnson & Johnson in 2023. Break and number 156, we sympathize deeply with people living with cancer, and number 157, Kenvue said in a statement, but added that years of independent testing by labs and regulators have confirmed the product's safety. Break the company said that talc used in baby powder and number 156, was compliant with any required regulatory standards, did not contain asbestos and does not cause cancer. And number 157. Break those in the UK case said they were exposed to baby powder for at least 5 years, starting in infancy and continuing into adulthood. The product was marketed as and number 156, mildness clinically proven, and number 157, the lawsuit less than /speak. Speak states. Break for decades, internal company documents have shown that Johnson & Johnson scientists expressed concerns that talc could be contaminated with trace amounts of asbestos, a known carcinogen that sometimes occurs naturally underground near talc. Break sources: The New York Times, October 16, 2025. Break disclaimer: statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. Break and copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Break ad as a preferred source on Google. More news resources for MedWatch. Drug alerts daily. Med news for health professionals. New drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Break whatever your topic of interest. Subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.